Okay. Lush Junkie 12 wanted me to talk about like what goes around inside and outside my house. Well, I am gonna ride around and pretend my bike is a motorcycle. I know some of y'all like doing that, so don't laugh at me. And then I'm gonna be riding with my buddy. Guess what his name is? Nah, y'all take too long. His name is Clyde. Y'all wanna see him? Alright, wait, let me speed up so I can ride with no hands so I can show you. Okay. Clyde is my pet lizard. I keep him around for fun. I love him. And here he is. You hold them like that because you don't want them to bite you. Okay, so you know what I'm saying? Alright, here we go. He bit me. Here we go. Ooh. Acorns. Oh yeah. Rape. Don't fall. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I'm riding up in this. You know. Ooh. I see a movie going on. You right up here. Okay. Where you going? I don't want to go down there. Because last time I did that, I flipped and did a cartwheel in the air. Okay. Hui. Ah, damn it. My motorcycle ran out of gas. I gotta go fill it up. I gotta roll it all the way over there. It's not far, it's right around the corner. Okay. $50? Oh snap! I ain't even bring that much. I gotta run. He's running. Oh snap! I got the cops chasing me. Oh no! He's gone! Chase him! Oops, I had my BB gun on. Shot that bird up there. You see him? He's gone! Clyde's just chilling. Yeah. I'ma just sit down and dumpster dive. I'm going dumpster diving. Okay. What they got up in there? Let's go in there, Clyde. Go in there. I know I ain't going in there. They got too many bees up in trash cans. They got bees and decomposers and crap. Hurt my balls. I don't want to go up in there. You know, let's go to my pool. I want to show everybody my pool. I got the best pool ever. Let me show y'all my pool. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. Look at Clyde. That's what he get for biting me. See, those are my tracks from last time. Always got to drive on the right side of the street. They say I'm not looking at the road, but I got my camera. That's what my mom be doing. She got a ticket for texting and driving. But guess what? She had her camera on, and she wasn't texting. She was looking at the street. Okay, here we go. Okay, I'm done being a motorcycle. That's soil. Okay, here we go. Oh, that's smooth. I can run my lipstick up on there. And then the water falls into that other pool over there. Hold on, I gotta get y'all to see that. Hold on. Then my jacuzzi is over there. Hold on. It's beautiful, isn't it? They almost kicked me out of these apartments too. Playing with my BB guns. I shot a bird too and then killed it. Okay, you see it? See? Waterfalls right there and then it goes right there.